Good morning. Our next practice is an ancient yogis practice of extension of the breath, of the connecting with the divine by using our breath, elongating, expanding, and extending our breath. We're doing 40 days the same pranayama breath and the same yogis practice based on a yogis science that 40 consecutive days doing the same spiritual practice helps you to break your blocks, negative blocks that kind of in your psyche, and allowing you to open yourself up for a new spiritual habit that helps you promote you, helps you to grow you in your life. Go ahead, bring your hands together and extend your thumbs towards yourself. Lift your spine and bring your thumbs so they physically touch middle of your chest, your heart center. Take your time and find that spot. You will know which spot is right. And now with your thumbs, feel like you're lifting and helping your heart to lift. Inhale through your nose, elongate through your spine, just a little bit more. And exhale, relax your shoulders down. Bring your chin slightly in, elongate through your spine. And if you are sitting on a chair, please move towards the edge of your chair. Slightly engage your buttocks, contract bottom part of your buttocks. And then relax and again contract just right enough so you feel yourself grounded. Spread your feet hip width apart and press gently your feet down. Find connection with the ground. On your inhale now, please bring your breath in your low abdominal, your low lungs, your upper lungs. Lift yourself, hold it, and when you're ready to let go, slowly, consciously, through your nose, exhale everything out from your upper lungs, your low lungs. Bring your navel in and up, slightly contracting your abdominal muscles. On your next inhale, in your abdominal, expand, open, your diaphragm comes up, your chest expands, hold it, and when you're ready to let go, exhale slowly, consciously, everything out. Close your eyes. And on your inhale, lift your hands up towards your forehead and bring the tips of your thumbs towards the base of your brows. Again, take time to find that right spot, the pressure point that feels right for you. Connect. Gently lean your head against your thumbs. Roll your eyes in and up towards your third eye center, the point between your eyebrows. Stay connected there and start elongating your breath even more. Inhaling as much as you can. Hold it and then exhaling as much as you can. Briefly hold your exhalation and inhale, go for another breath. Please relax your facial muscles, relax your shoulders down. Hear your breath. Connect with your breath. With every breath, try to extend it even more. Extending your prana. Extending your life force energy, your divine energy. restoring it. Inhaling, expanding, lifting, connecting. And exhale, releasing, letting go, letting God, emptying yourself, and with this emptiness extending, expanding, and uplifting even more. Heart lifted, optical focus towards your third eye center, connecting with your intuitive mind, connecting with your higher, with your divine self. Keeping your eyes closed, optical focus towards your third eye center. Slowly release your arms down, placing top of your hands on your knees, palms up. Join your index and thumbs together. Heart lifted, keep connection with your breath. Long, deep, conscious inhale. Inhaling as much as you can. And long, deep, conscious exhale. Exhaling as much as you can. Please take another long, deep inhale. Exhale, release, let go everything out. Turn your palms down, extend your arms, keeping your shoulders down. And on your next inhale, start leaning forward, opening chest, guiding your heart forward. And on your exhalation, come up and collapse your chest, leaning back. Engage your abdominal muscles, engage bottom part of your buttocks, making C-shaped curve of your spine. Inhale, open your heart, guide your heart forward, follow your heart. And exhale, collapse, pull your navel in, tuck your tailbone under. Keep going, inhale, and exhale out of your nose. Gently start speeding up your breath, warming up your spinal column, balancing your nervous system. Inhale, sending your heart forward. Exhale, opening your heart center. When you go back, opening back side of your heart. Inhale, expanding your abdominal. Exhale, contracting your abdominal muscles, warming up your digestive system. Facial muscles relaxed. If your eyes still closed, please keep your optical focus towards your third eye center. Inhale. Exhale out of your nose. Just few more times to go. Follow your breath, allowing divine energy to guide you. Allowing yourself to be guided. One more breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Elongate your spine. Bring your chest above your pelvic, your head above your chest. Drop your shoulders down, and if your eyes closed, slowly please open your eyes. Soft gaze forward, chin slightly in, your neck elongated. Only eyes please. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Last time down. Soft gaze forward. Heart lifted, shoulders relaxed, chin slightly in. Only eyes. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Last time left. Soft gaze forward. Only eyes. Right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down. One more time. Circle, please. Slowly moving your eyes. One more time. Soft gaze forward. Only eyes. Left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down. Circle, please. One more time. Inhale, soft gaze forward. Exhale, drop your arms down. Turn your palms out. And on your next inhale, opening yourself, lift your arms, reach, connect your palms. Exhale, bring it to your heart. chin slightly in, close your eyes. Optical focus towards your third eye center. Please, on your next inhale, turn your head towards your left shoulder and exhale right. Keep going, inhale left, exhale right. Just simply follow your breath. One more time. Inhale, center. Exhale, drop your head to your heart. With your heart lifted through your nose, please. Long, deep, conscious inhale. Lifting, expanding through your mouth. Through your mouth, inhale. And through your nose, exhale, release, let go. On your next inhale, slowly start rotating your head over your right shoulder, up, exhale, left, and down. Keep going, inhale, exhale. Follow your breath. Facial muscles relaxed. Optical focus towards your third eye center. Breathing, inhale and exhale out of your nose. One more breath. Finishing with your head to your heart. With your heart lifted again, long, deep inhale through your nose. Through your mouth. Through your mouth, inhale. And through your nose, exhale, release, let go everything out. On your next inhale, reverse direction with your head, please. Follow your breath. Releasing tension, stiffness in your neck, in your shoulders. Opening your spinal column for the divine energy to circulate up and down your spine. One more breath, please. One more head roll. Finishing with your head to your heart. With your heart lifted, once more, long, deep, conscious inhale through your nose. Through your mouth. Through your mouth, inhale. And through your nose, exhale, release, let go. On your next inhale, slowly open your eyes, return your head back. Drop your arms down. Inhale, turn your palms out. Lift, reach, connect. And exhale, bring it to your heart. Our next practice is the Kriya Yoga practice. Please welcome on your mat. Separate your feet apart. Soften your knees. Bring your pelvic above your ankles, your chest above your pelvic. Close your eyes. Drop your shoulders down. Elongate through your spine. Bring your chin slightly in. And on your inhale, open your palms out. Lift, reach, connect your palms. Reach up, stretch up. Exhale, bring it to your heart. Inhale, open. Lift, reach, connect. Soft knees, bow down. Inhale, unroll again. Open, lift, reach, connect. Exhale to your heart. Inhale, open. Lift, reach, connect. Exhale, bow down. Inhale, unroll. Open, lift, reach, connect your palms. Exhale to your heart. Last time, please. Inhale. Connect your palms. Exhale, bow down. Stay down. Soften your neck. Relax it, wave yes and no with your head. Keep your abdominals soft, your knees soft, facial muscles relaxed. Long, deep, conscious breath. Inhale, expanding yourself, and exhale, releasing, letting go, softening yourself. One more breath. Inhale in the center, exhale, press your right foot down, send energy up your right leg, left leg, guide your left hip back, twist and open to your right. Long deep breath, stretching and opening your left side. Inhale, exhale, hear your breath. One more breath. Inhale, come back in the center. Exhale, soften your knees. Inhale in the center. Exhale, press your right foot down. Send energy up your right leg. Guide your right hip back. Twist to your left. Long deep breath. Stretching and opening your right side. One more breath. On your next inhale, come back in the center. Exhale, soften your knees. Pull your navel in to support your low back. Slowly on your inhale, start unrolling up. Guide your tailbone down, your shoulders, your neck, and your head. Turn your palms face out. Open yourself, lift, reach, connect. Exhale, bring it to your heart. Close your eyes. Keeping your pelvic above your ankles, your chest above your pelvic, your head above your chest. Inhale, elongate your spine even more. Exhale, pull your navel slightly in, chin in, guide your tailbone down with your crown reaching up. Check your weight. Your weight is evenly between your right and left, front and back of your feet. Bring yourself in the present moment. Roll your eyes in and up with your optical focus towards your third eye center. One more long, deep breath. On your next inhale, slowly open your eyes. Exhale, drop your arms. Inhale, opening yourself even more, lifting even higher. Connect. Exhale to your heart. Inhale, stretch your arms out. Keep your arms parallel to the floor. Inhale, fingers up. Exhale, down. Keep going. In, out. Follow your breath. Breathing in and out of your nose. Start engaging your navel center. Inhale, expanding. Exhale, contracting. Keep breathing. In, out, in, out, in, out. 4, 3, 2, and last time. Stretch your arms. Inhale. Drop your shoulders down. Exhale, pull your navel slightly in. Engage your buttocks slightly. Grounded and lifted. Wrists, please. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Circle with elbows, please. 3, 2, and 1. Full arm extension. Inhale, exhale. Follow your breath. One more time. And reverse. Opening yourself. Reaching with your arms out. Last time. Elbows, please. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Wrists. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Turn your palms face up. Spread your fingers. Lift your heart. Lift your gaze up. Open. Lift yourself. Exhale. Fold your thumbs in. Cover your thumbs. Drop your head to your heart. Again, inhale. Open. And exhale, surrender. Keep your heart lifted. One more time, inhale. And exhale. Inhale, open. Lift your arms. Connect your palms. Exhale, join your fingers together. Bring your hands to your heart. Close your eyes. Long deep breath. On your next inhale, open your eyes. Exhale, drop your arms. Turn your palms out. Again, lift yourself. Connect. Exhale to your heart. Inhale, open your arms out. Palms facing forward. Fold your forefingers into fists. Thumbs facing up. Inhale, reach. Send your heart forward, maybe with your arms slightly reaching back. Open, lift, and exhale. Bend your elbows, point your thumbs down. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, slightly expand your abdominal. Exhale, contract. Keep going. In, out, in, out. When you exhale, pull your navel in, slightly engage bottom part of your buttocks. 4 more. 3, 2. Last time. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Spread your fingers wide, spread your toes wide. Press your feet down, reach up with your arms, and exhale, palms out. Take your arms down. Relax your arms, heavy arms. Inhale, shoulders up. Exhale, down, in, out, in, out. Keep going. Follow your breath. Inhale up, exhale down, releasing tension and stiffness in your neck, in your shoulders, in your upper back area. Releasing, dropping everything off your shoulders. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Heavy arms, heart lifted, close your eyes. Keep breathing, allowing stress, tension, discomfort, maybe even pain, release your body. Going down your arms. One more breath. Turn your palms out. Inhale, lift your arms, keep them parallel this time. Reach up and exhale, drop your shoulders down. Turn your palms face forward. Join your index and thumbs together. Inhale, reach, and exhale, bend your elbows, pull down, in, out. Follow your breath. Breathing in and out of your nose. Inhale, reaching up, exhale, down. On your exhalation, gently hug your rib cage, pull your navel in and up. 4, 3, 2. Last time. Holding, squeezing gently your rib cage, keeping your arms active, heart lifted, shoulders down, chin in, crown reaching up, tailbone down. Inhale, lift. Exhale, shift your weight. Your weight is on your left foot. Inhale, exhale, lift your right knee up and take it down. change right away and down. Keep going. Exhale, lifting up, and inhale, grounding your foot down. Just simply follow your breath. Keep engaging your navel center. Inhale, expanding, and exhale, contracting your abdominal. Focus on your standing leg. Slightly engage your buttock on the standing leg on your exhalation, pressing your foot down. One more time for each leg, and then we're going to change. Inhale, arms up and knee up. Exhale, down. Inhale, exhale, in, X. Keep going. Reaching with your arms high, lifting your knee high. Inhale, exhale, follow your breath. Powerful breath in and out of your nose. One more time for each leg. Inhale, reach with your arms up, spread your fingers, release your mudra, close your eyes, hold your breath. Exhale. Inhale, reach. Hold your breath, contract your rectum, your internal organs, pull your navel in and up, chin slightly in, optical focus towards your third eye center. Exhale. Again, inhale. Contract, lift, pull. Exhale. One more breath. And exhale, release your arms down. Keep your eyes closed. Connect with your breath. One more breath. And inhale, open your eyes, roll your shoulders back a few times. Reverse direction, please. One more time. Roll your shoulders back, elongate through your spine. Maybe separate your feet wider. Place your hands on your abdominal. Inhale, expand your abdominal, and exhale, pull your navel in, engage your buttocks slightly, guide your tailbone down. Again, inhale, exhale. Keep breathing, oxygenating every internal organ when you inhale, and on your exhalation, releasing, squeezing toxins, cleansing yourself. One more breath. Inhale, lift your heart. Exhale, hinging from your hips, slightly lean forward, squat down, drop your head down. Place your hands on your knees, on your thighs, shoulders down, gaze towards your abdominal. Take a long, deep inhale, expanding your abdominal. Long, deep exhale, pull your navel in. Again, inhale, exhale. Long, deep inhale. And this time exhale through your mouth. Take your tongue out and start breathing in and out of your mouth. Start slow and then welcome to pick up your tempo. Engage your navel center, pumping in and out your abdominal muscles. Inhale through your nose, exhale. Again, inhale, exhale. Long deep inhale. Through your mouth, exhale, take your tongue out. Long deep inhale through your nose. Through your nose, exhale. Again through your nose, inhale. Through your nose, exhale. Through your nose, inhale, hold your breath, expand your abdominal. Through your nose, exhale, pull your navel in, hold your exhalation, start pumping your navel out and in. Inhale. Through your nose, exhale. Again, inhale. Exhale. Through your nose, inhale, hold. Through your nose, exhale, hold. Pull your navel in. Start pumping your navel, please. Inhale. Through your nose, exhale. Again, inhale. Exhale. Long deep inhale, hold. Long deep exhale, pull your navel in. Last set, hold your exhalation, pop your navel. Inhale. Exhale, relax your head, relax your arms. And on your next inhale, slowly unroll up. Bring your chest above your pelvic, your head above your chest. Inhale, open yourself. Lift, reach, connect. Exhale, bring it to your heart. Inhale, keep your heart lifted. Exhale, step in a wide stand. Inhale, lift your heart. Exhale, bow down. Bring your spine parallel to the floor. Inhale, extend your arms out. Bring your chin slightly in, elongating through your spine. Inhale, reach with your arms. Exhale, twist to your right. Inhale, reach. Exhale, twist to your left. Keep going. Follow your own breath tempo. Speeding up your breath slightly. Reaching with your arm up. Focusing on these arms, trying to stretch up even more. Keep breathing. Keep reaching with your arm. Focus on the arm that is reaching down. Maybe touch your mat with the tips of your fingers. Maybe place your palm down on your mat. One more time for each side. Inhale, center. Exhale, drop your arms. Keep your eyes open. Relax your neck, relax your head. Focus on one spot on your mat. Meditate on this spot. One more breath. Inhale. Exhale, soften your knees, engage your abdominal. Inhale, slowly unroll up. Guide your tailbone down, your shoulders, your neck, and your head. Turn your palms out. Inhale, open, lift, reach, connect. Exhale, bring it to your heart. Inhale, lift your heart. Exhale, open your right foot out or step forward with your right leg, depends what is your stand is. Bring your left foot 45 degrees angle. Keeping your chest above your pelvic, your head above your chest. Inhale, elongate even more. Exhale, soften your right knee. Bring your knee above your right ankle and release your left hand on your left hip. On your inhale, guide your left hip forward and exhale, open. Again, inhale and exhale. One more time. Exhale, open, stay here, please. Inhale, elongate. Exhale, maybe go a little bit deeper down. Inhale, extend your arms out, reaching actively with your arms. Exhale, turn your palms face forward. Fold your forefingers into fists. Thumbs pointed up. Inhale, reach. Exhale, bend your left elbow. Turn your head direction of your right arm. Soft gaze on one spot, on your nail. Long, deep breath. Keep your facial muscles relaxed. Your spine elongated, strong, confident. Take another long deep inhale. Exhale, release, let go. And take a long deep inhale to begin the breath of fire. Breathing in and out of your nose. Please start slow and then make adjustments. Go as fast or as slow as you need, as it feels right for you. Pumping your navel in and out. Energizing, detoxifying yourself, strengthening. Remember, if you have high blood pressure or you feel dizzy, discomfort, stay with your long, deep breath. Long, deep inhale. Contract your rectum, pull it in, your internal organs, navel in and up, chin in, lifting up. Exhale. Again, inhale. Contract, lift, pull, hold it. Keep your facial muscles relaxed. Focused gaze. Exhale. One more breath. Inhale. Contract, lift, pull. And exhale, release. Pivot on your feet. Extend your arms. Inhale, keep your eyes open. Exhale, bow down. Stay down. Relax your neck. Relax your abdominal. Meditate on one spot on your mat. One more breath. Inhale, exhale, soften your knees, engage your abdominals, slowly unroll up. Guide your tailbone down. Bring your chest above your pelvic, your head above your chest. Open your palms out, sweep your arms up. Reach up, connect. Exhale, bring it to your heart. Turn your left foot out. Bring your right foot 45 degrees angle. Inhale, elongate through your spine. Exhale, bend your left leg. Bring your left knee above your ankle. Release your right hand on your right hip. Inhale, slowly guide your right hip forward towards your left leg. And exhale, open. Again, inhale. Heart lifted. And exhale, open. One more time. Inhale. Exhale, open, keep your chest above your pelvic. Stay open. Inhale, extend your arms out. Inhale, elongate through your spine. Exhale, turn your palms face out. Fold your forefingers in the fist, thumbs pointed up. Inhale, reach with your arms. Exhale, bend your right elbow. Turn your head direction of your left arm. Soft, focused gaze on the spot, on one spot on your nail. Long deep breath. Staying connected, balanced, strong, and confident. Take another long deep breath. And after your next long deep inhale, start the breath of fire, please. Pumping your navel in and out. Remember, listen to yourself. Stay connected to yourself, with yourself. If you need to switch to the long deep breath, please do it at any time. Long deep inhale. Exhale. Take long deep inhale. Contract, lift, pull, hold it. Exhale. Again, long deep inhale. Contract, lift, pull, hold. Exhale. One more time. Contract, lift, pull. And exhale. Inhale, pivot on your feet. Stretch your arms out first. And then exhale, keeping your eyes open, bow down. Long deep breath. Keep your neck relaxed. Keep your facial muscles relaxed. Inhale in the center. Exhale, walk towards your right leg. Gently pull yourself towards your right leg. Long deep breath. One more breath. Inhale, come back in the center. And exhale, change sides. Keep breathing, please. One more breath. On your next inhale, come back in the center. Exhale, soften both knees. Engage your abdominals, slowly unroll up. Remember, you neck, your head, and rolls up last. Inhale, open, lift, reach, connect. Exhale, bring it to your heart. Walk your feet, slowly bring them together. Join your feet together, squeeze your legs together. Bring everything in the center. Guide your tailbone down. Lift your heart, sweep your arms once more. And exhale, bring it to your heart. Lie down on your mat, please, on your back. Walk your feet towards your buttocks. Separate your feet hip width apart. Keep your chin slightly in, elongating through your neck. Palms facing down, arms actively reaching down, shoulders down. And you inhale, expand your abdominal arch, your low back. And exhale, pull your navel in, press your low back down. Keep going. Inhale, arch. And exhale, press. Two more times. Last time, finishing with your low back pressed down. Inhale, lift your arms, take your arms over your head. Chin in, spine elongated, keep breathing. One more breath. Inhale, reach with your arms. Exhale, clasp your hands, lift your head. Place your hands behind your head, resting your head on your hands, in your hands. Inhale and exhale, pull your navel in, curl up. Keep going, inhale, down. Exhale, pull your navel in, curl up. Just simply follow your breath. Four more times. Finishing with your exhalation, staying up, inhale, exhale, lift your right knee up, inhale, exhale, left, inhale, extend your right leg up, and inhale, exhale, extend your left, turn your toes out, join your legs together, heels touching, zip up your legs, inhale, take your legs slightly down, and exhale, pull your navel in, lift your legs up, keep going. Follow your breath, keep your low back connected to the floor, and take your legs only as low as your low back allows you. Four more times. Inhale, reach with your legs up. Exhale, bend your knees. Slowly unroll down. Keeping your legs together, start drawing circles with your knees, rolling on your low back. Keep breathing. One more time. Reverse to the other side. One more time. Knees up, inhale, exhale, curl up towards your legs, engage your abdominal, keep your low back connected to the floor, center yourself, supporting your head with your hands without pulling on your head. Inhale, exhale, extend your right leg up, inhale, exhale, extend your left leg up, join your legs together. Turn your toes out, heels together, and take your legs slightly down, only as low as you can keep your low back down. And this morning, we're going to start in this position, breath of fire. Pumping navel in and out, breathing in and out of your nose. You can keep going, or if you need to bring your knees in, and then extend your legs again and keep going. Breath of fire, please. Breathing in and out of your nose. Pumping your navel in and out, in and out. Again, if you need to bring your knees in, bring them in. Then extend your legs and start again. Just a little bit longer to go. Inhale, reach with your legs. Exhale, pull your knees in. Unroll down. Inhale. Exhale, release your feet down. Release your arms. Place your arms beside of you. Turn your palms face up. Inhale, elongate through your spine. Exhale, drop your shoulders even deeper down. Inhale, turn your head left. And exhale, right. Inhale, come back in the center. Elongate through your spine. Open your knees out. Join soles of your feet together. Long, deep breath. One more breath. On your inhale, lift your right knee up. Place your right leg on the top of your left. Twist your legs to your left with your upper body opening to your right. Roll your head towards your right shoulder. Long deep breath. One more breath. Inhale, lift your heart. Exhale, slowly unroll down. Long deep breath in the center. Inhaling and softening. Exhale. Inhale, elongate. Lift your left knee. Take your left leg on the top of your right. Rolling your legs to your right. Open your upper body to your left. Roll your head towards your left shoulder. One more breath. Inhale, lift your heart. Exhale, come back in the center. One breath in the center. Lift your left knee up, roll on your right side completely. One breath on your right side. If you have sweatshirts, blankets, socks, please take your time. Get what you need and come back on your mat for the final part of your practice. Restorative practice right now. Time for your body to heal itself. Elongate through your spine, extend your legs. Place your arms beside of you with your palms facing up, your shoulders down. Close your eyes. Bring your optical focus towards your third eye center. Take a long deep inhale. Long deep exhale. Again inhale. Exhale. Inhale, point your toes, squeeze your feet, your ankles, your calves, your knees, hamstrings, thighs, buttocks. Contract your abdominal, your back. Lift your shoulders up, making fists with your hands. Push your shoulders up towards your ears. Keep it your arms tense. Squeeze your face. Squeeze it. Squeeze your skin, your bones, your muscles. Keep squeezing, keep squeezing. Slowly start relax your toes, your ankles, your calves, knees, hamstrings, buttocks, thighs, abdominal, back. Drop your shoulders down, release your fists, relax your arms, relax your facial muscles. Take a long deep inhale through your mouth. Again inhale through your mouth. Exhale, release, soften. One more breath, inhale. And exhale, release, let go, let God. Stay connected with your breath and let your body to heal itself. Keeping your eyes closed, slowly start to deepen your breath. Wiggle your toes, wiggle your fingers, rotate your wrists and ankles. Reverse direction, please. On your inhale, stretch your arms up over your head. Point your toes, reach in opposite direction. Keep reaching, keep stretching, keep breathing. One more breath. Inhale, reach. Exhale, slowly take your arms down. One knee at a time. Lift both knees up. Pull them in. Rock from side to side. Inhale, come back in the center. Exhale, open your arms in the T shape. Inhale, elongate. Exhale, take your knees to your right with your upper body opening to your left. Long deep breath. Inhale, elongate. Exhale, lift your legs. Roll on your low back. Take your knees to your left with your upper body opening to your right. Long deep breath. Inhale, elongate. Exhale, abdominal engaged. Lift your legs and roll on your right side completely. Use your right upper arm as a pillow. Close your eyes. Long deep breath. On your next inhale, slowly press yourself up in a cross-legged seated position. Rock from side to side. Find middle part of your buttocks. Bring your chest above your pelvic, your head above your chest. Rest your arms on your knees, palms up. Join your index and thumb together. Close your eyes. With your optical focus towards your third eye center, with your heart lifted, please take a long deep inhale through your nose, lifting and expanding. Through your mouth, exhale, release, let go. Through your mouth, inhale. Through your nose, exhale. Through your nose, inhale, lifting, expanding, connecting. Through your mouth. Through your mouth, inhale. Through your nose, exhale. One more breath. Through your nose, inhale, silently chanting I. Through your mouth, exhale, M. Through your mouth, inhale, I. And through your nose, exhale, M. Just simply with your eyes closed, keep in connection with yourself, with gratitude to yourself. On your next inhale, slowly open your eyes. Exhale, release your mudra. Inhale, sweep your arms up, gaze up, connect your palms, reach up. Exhale, twist and open to your right. Inhale, lift your gaze up, lift your heart up. Exhale, bow down, back in the center. Inhale, open, lift, reach, connect. Exhale, left. Inhale, lift your heart, lift your gaze. Exhale, bow down. Back in the center, open, lift, reach, connect. Keep your gaze up, keep reaching. Exhale. Inhale, open your eyes wide, spread your fingers wide. Exhale, soften your gaze. Join your fingers together. Bring your hands to your heart. Bow down. May the long time sun shine upon you. All love surround you, and the pure light within you guide your way on. Thank you so very much for practicing. Namaste.